Thank you for purchasing Togu Ball Cushion. Here we will provide you with instructions to guide you through your first setup. The box contains a flyer with exercises and a guarantee card. The cushion is air-filled and ready to be used. This is how it should look. You do not need to pump it. If it is damaged or leaks air, please contact your dealer. The purpose of the wedge cushion is to correct your posture, exercise your back muscles, and reduce pain related to prolonged sitting. Make sure you place the cushion on a firm chair, whether at home or in the office. The rounded side must be placed at the back end of the chair, hence elevating the pelvis and obtaining an upright posture. While sitting on the cushion, place feet flat on the floor to counterbalance the unstable surface. If sitting is uncomfortable, you can start with sitting at the center, working your way up to the higher end of the wedge. As the muscles strengthen from active sitting, you might experience a slight soreness in your core or back, just like a workout. You can remove the cushion for a few minutes until you get used to sitting on the wedge. This may take up to 2 weeks before your body is fully adapted. If you are using the cushion on an office chair, make sure you adjust the height of the chair so your feet are comfortably leveled on the floor. For standard chairs, you can move slightly forward to achieve the same. When sitting on the wedge, you will notice your knee angle is more than 90 degrees. This is to attain an ergonomic sitting. It takes pressure off the vertebrae and discs, blood flow is undisturbed, breathing is deeper, and energy levels remain high. Enjoy active sitting.